Since 2001, Imperial County agencies have benefited from the high-speed connection to the Internet thanks to a homegrown network known as the Imperial Valley Telecommunications Authority, or IVTA. It serves the public agencies including the county, cities, hospitals, and school districts with a state-of-the-art industry fiber optic communications network supporting the growth and the development of the community.
The County of Imperial and the County Office of Education joined forces and went and approached the Imperial Irrigation District, who were very gracious in working together as a collaborative community partner to dedicate 2 unlit fibers of their fiber optic network to be able to connect all of our schools and public agencies, which has been a wonderful model.
The IVTA partnership came about sort of a collaborative effort between ICOE, John Anderson, IID was represented by Brad Lucky, Steve Hogan from El Centro, and myself. Basically, we're the 4 of us that got together after John had some preliminary contacts with IID about use of their fiber.
Fiber optic cable was not available in Imperial County. It took about 10 years before it became available in Imperial County. So because of the creation of the IVTA, our public agencies did not have to wait 10 years before using that fiber.
And it's a JPA, it's a group of member agencies that got together. We're talking about 29 agencies that represent schools, the city governments, the County of Imperial, and also the hospitals as well. And so we all got together to solve the connectivity problem in Imperial County.
Well, some of our region's challenges are very obvious in the fact that we are a very wide region. The county is over 4,000 square miles, so that's a lot of space to cover when it comes to connectivity to the internet and other services that IVTA provides.
Well, IVTA provides the connectivity, a backbone infrastructure for communication and data network services.
The IID is a nonprofit organization that provides agricultural water and electricity to its customers. We're part of the community. We live here, we raise our families here, and by partnering with the IVTA to participate in their network, it benefits the entire community, including the IID.
Well, I think it's successful in part because of the people that started it and then the people that came in, the various schools and the cities that eventually all joined the system, all had a goal and a need to have a very effective and robust high-speed system. The fact that it's a very reliable high-speed system as well as a cost-effective system.
Public agency wants to connect to the IVTA. The first thing to do is to contact the network administrator, which in this case is ICOE. We will do a preliminary engineering to determine which is the best way to get the site connected. Once that is established, the next thing to do is for the agency to just send a letter of intent to the IVTA board for approval.
Well, just that I think IVTA is an idea that was ahead of its time. In this day and age, from an educational perspective, one-to-one instruction where students interact with electronic data sources and educational activities is the name of the game.
We have a lot of challenges with the rural community and in the geographic location. So with little resources, we're trying to make the best use. And, you know, an IVTA is a great example of how we leverage resources here in Imperial County amongst all the agencies and schools and counties. So, you know, the future is really bright for IVTA. Connectivity is essential now in our lives, and the way our students learn, the way our member agencies are engaging with their customers, with the residents of Imperial County.
The public benefit that it provides is outstanding. Access to the IID's fiber helps to minimize the cost of providing these services.
Because our agencies are all governmental, for an example, in the city of Brawley, the school district's connected along with the city, along with any county offices that are there, and pooling those resources makes it so much easier to take the small dollars that we have available and make them work much better.